Double helical gears are highly resilient, compact, and indispensable. They are used in turbofan and helicopter gearboxes. Their interfering contours prevent the use of large, grinding wheels. Precision and flexibility are crucial. The GP500H profile grinding machine from EMAG provides the solution. With its 5-axis kinematics and small grinding wheels, the GP500H can handle complex geometries, both externally and internally. Short changeover times, integrated measuring probes, and flexible spindle configurations make the machine efficient. The GP500H offers precision and efficiency in grinding double helical gears.